decree this with absolute authority. Let all evil destroy itself. Watch what happens. Every malicious plan against you is about to self-destruct. Evil schemes will cannibalize each other. Your enemies' plots will become their own destruction. This activates the divine law of self-destruct. Evil cannot sustain itself. It always destroys itself eventually. Your decree accelerates this process. Watch malicious plans implode. Enemy schemes turn into friendly fire. Their own weapons backfire. Level 1. Level 2, Ally Betrayal. Conspirators turn against each other. Level 3, Weapon Reversal. Their tools become their destruction. Level 4, Total Cannibalization. Evil completely devours itself. Declare the self-destruction. All evil against me destroys itself. Malicious plans implode. Enemy schemes cannibalize each other. Evil weapons turn on their creators. I don't fight evil. Evil fights itself. Self-destruction is active. Total self-destruction is confirmed. Evil has consumed itself completely. Come and self-destruct. If you see them imploding,